In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a quote on Xero. Editing quotes on Xero can be a very handy skill, especially if you're running a business or in charge of creating and sending quotes to clients. Whether you made a mistake on your initial quote or just need to update information based on new agreements, Xero makes it quite simple to do so. Let's walk through the process, step by step, ensuring you can confidently edit your quotes on Xero by the end of this video. First things first, we need to navigate to the Xero website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Xero's URL, or just search for Xero online. Once you're at Xero's homepage, you'll see a variety of options to navigate through, but what we're interested in today is logging into your account to access your dashboard. To do this, look for the login button, which you'll typically find in the top right corner of the homepage. A click on this button will direct you to a page requesting your email and password. Go ahead and enter your specific login credentials. Remember, it's crucial to keep this information secure, so be mindful of your surroundings if entering these details in a public space. With your credentials entered, click on the login button to proceed. If you've entered your details correctly, you'll be directed to your Xero dashboard. This dashboard is your control center, where you can navigate to different sections depending on what task you wish to accomplish. Now, to get to the quote section, you'll need to navigate to the Business tab. You can usually find this on the top navigation bar within your Xero dashboard. Hover or click on Business and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you want to find and click on Quotes. Upon clicking Quotes, Xero will present you with a list of quotes you've created. You can browse through your quotes or use the search function to find the specific quote you wish to edit. Once you've located the quote in question, click on it to open the Quote Details page. Now you're in the editing phase where you can make necessary adjustments to your quote. Xero's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you should see clearly labeled fields for all the information included in your quote, like client details, the services or products quoted, prices, etc. Take your time here to ensure all the information is accurate and reflects any changes or updates you need to make. After making your changes, you might want to double check everything. Editing quotes often requires attention to detail to ensure the information is accurate. Mistakes in quotes can lead to confusion, misunderstandings, or even impact your relationships with clients. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your work. Look for a Save button, which should be visible on the page. Clicking this button will update your quote with all the changes you've just made. A small tip: Xero might prompt you with a confirmation or might provide options like Save and Send Later or Save and View. Choose the option that best fits your next step with this quote, and that's it. You've successfully edited a quote on Xero. It's super important in maintaining up-to-date, accurate information on quotes for a smooth business operation and professional client interaction. Remember, if you ever need to make further changes, you can simply repeat this process. Thank you for tuning in to our guide on editing quotes in Xero. Whether you're fine-tuning a quote to ensure it matches your client's needs, or correcting a small typo, you now have the knowledge to navigate this process smoothly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time, keep managing your business finances efficiently.